October, whether or not you know it, is National Women's Small Business Month, and I wanted to actually show you this really beautiful resolution that I got presented to me at an event down in New Orleans last week. This actually showcases the bipartisan agreement that the Senate committee voted and passed earlier this month, declaring October as National Women's Small Business Month. I just want to read some of the resolutions that were made. 1. The Senate recognizes the month of October 2015 as National Women's Small Business Month. The Senate honors the vital role of women small business owners and women entrepreneurs in the United States during this month. They also recognize the significant contributions of women small business owners and women entrepreneurs to the small business community. They support and encourage young women entrepreneurs to pursue their passions and create more startup businesses. They recognize the importance of creating policies that promote a business-friendly environment for small business owners that is also free of unnecessary regulations and red tape. And they support efforts to increase awareness of the value of women-owned small businesses on the economy of the United States. I can't tell you how much this means to the council and how much it should mean to you, the fact that we got bipartisan support on this lofty resolution in honor of you.